Yo. First order of the day. Got an IHOP. $15 going 8 miles. Those bags?
2 bags.
Gotcha. Next order just came in. We've got a Black Rock coffee. This is going to be $9 and some change, going just about 5.5 miles. Well, I'm literally the only person here, so surely that means my order is ready for me, right? Hello. For Heather.
Heather, okay. It's a little heavy.
Gotcha, thank you. Upstairs. I finally got the next order, but it kind of looks like there's something wrong with it. It just looks a little too good to be true, but we're gonna check it out anyways. This is Seize the Bagel, $15 and some change, going 6 miles. Actually, there's a $2 staff tip listed. I still don't know why it shows me that, but it's good to know. So maybe they're just in a giving mood, and this is legit after all.
We just wrapped that up. Let me look over it really quick here. We're good to go.
Thank you.
How are you guys?
You too. Please knock. Doorbell freaks the cat out. Okay. Of course it's upstairs. Next up, we are going to Angels. This is $9 going 2 miles.
Been a while.
Right? Thank you so much.
Take care.
Yep, you too. Oh, are we going back to Angels? $10 going just under 6 miles. I mean, yeah, sure, why not?
You have a great day, okay?
I think there was a drink on that one as well.
Oh, you're right.
I don't know what it was, but there's something.
You as well. You're saving my life.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yep, you too. It says Mountain Dew, but he gave me Mountain Dew watermelon. I'm gonna go double check just in case.
If there's not the regular one, that's the only one we have right now.
Okay.
In our system, we don't have flavors. We just say Mountain Dew.
He had all of them. He said he had like 4 or 6 of them. A little something for you.
Oh. Can I get a glazed twist as well while I'm waiting for them? What was your holiday?
It was good.
Yeah.
It's at the house.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, man. Well, they're not answering, so they better be happy with this, because I'm not waiting any longer. Also, shout outs to them. I was totally gonna buy that, but he said it was on the house, so who am I to argue with someone trying to give me free food? Not today. No! My donuts! Oh my god, my phone. Oh my gosh, shut up! Okay, we're good, everything's good. Ooh, baby. Can't forget the donut hole. Next up, we've got a stacked Sherry's. It is $12 and some change, going 3 miles. What the? When your radio randomly decides it wants to work again? I guess. Thank you. I kind of wanted to shoot a hoop right there, but I could have sworn I heard them coming outside, so that would have been awkward. Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $12, going 4 miles, only one item. And then just a scribble on that line if you can. Good enough for me. See, those are the good orders. Had a gate code in the instructions. Told me exactly where to drive, where to turn to get to their building, and even met me outside with ID in hand. Can't get much better than that. Besides handing me a cash tip as well, but you know, can't check all the good boxes. Current time is 10:46. Current total is 88, and I should have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 95, 96. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.